lovely students. How are you all? I hope you are fine and taking care of yourself. And are you ready for the class? Very good. My dear students, in the last class I taught you the letters A, E, L and F. Right? हमने ये सब letters कर लिए. So today we are going to do revision of letters E, L and F. Come. So which letter we are going to revise? E, L, F. E for elephant, E for eyes. So first letter we are going to trace letter E. Standing line, sleeping line, small sleeping line, then once again sleeping line. Once again letter E. Sleeping line, then again sleeping line. फिर E से और क्या क्या होता है? Tell me. E for egg. E for elephant. Letter E. Standing line, sleeping line, again sleeping line, then once again sleeping line. Letter E. So which letter we are tracing? Letter E. Standing line, sleeping line, again sleeping line, then once again sleeping line. तो ये कौन सा letter हमने trace किया? Letter E. Now the next letter is letter L. Standing line and sleeping line. L for lion, L for lock and L for leaf. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. ये तो कितना easy letter है. सिर्फ standing line and sleeping line. Again standing line, sleeping line. So कौन सा letter हमने trace किया? Letter L. Now the next letter is letter F. Standing line, sleeping line, one more sleeping line. Letter F. F for fish. F for fan. देखा? Look students, letter E में हम 3 sleeping lines बनाते हैं, right? 1, 2 and 3. और letter F में हम सिर्फ 2 sleeping line बनाते हैं, 1 and 2. Letter F. F for frog. Standing line, sleeping line, one more sleeping line. Again standing line, sleeping line, one more sleeping line. So students, have you understood the letter E, L and F? So please practice these letters in your notebook. Till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you.